What's going on, guys? H2O exterior wash. I'm going to do a review on last year's wash. It was in the middle of July. Customer reached out to me for some house washing and concrete cleaning, and wanted to kind of bring you guys through this time lapse and kind of do a voiceover on what I'm doing and what is expected when you're hiring me for a house wash. So you can see right here I'm rinsing with the bowel valve. I'm cleaning off all the algae off of the lower half of the brick. So I'm kind of removing that already. I already did my inspection 360 around the house to do looking for some red flags, anything that I need to be aware about, taping electrical outlets, covering cameras around the house, things like that. So now I'm already on rinse mode right now, kind of getting everything wet. And all my house washes, I always include a gutter brightening, so kind of taking care of that along with the brick, getting them all cleaned up. And then right here you can kind of see a little glimpse of what I'm going to be working with. You can see the customer had already tried to do some power washing. You can see all the black lines coming in there. We're going to get that all cleaned up. I'm going to start off with a pre-treat and let it dwell for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the weather. This was in the middle of July, so it didn't really take too long for it to start trying to dry up on me, so I had to kind of get a move on things with working by myself as well. So after pre-treating and letting it dwell for 5 to 10 minutes, I bring out the surface cleaner and I do double passes on each pass. So up and down, and then I move to another pass to get it cleaned. I just feel like that works so much better, and you can see how well that works. I didn't really use a lot of soap. You can kind of tell off to the right that I did use some, but I just didn't want it to be soap or Sud City. It just takes a lot of rinsing after that. I think I was using about a 4 or a 5% mixture, and man, that was quick. This time lapse is moving. So yeah, I started rinsing after that. Sometimes I do a post treat if it needs it, but this concrete just turned out so good and was super happy about it, and just didn't need a post treat. Here was the side of the house. You can see I had to get a clip for that as well. It's all algae. Super shaded back there. Yeah, this was an awesome turnout for all the concrete. There's the before and there's the after. Super shaded spot. This is the back patio. I already finished up the farther half in the back, and then I wanted to show you on one half being the left side is the before, and then the right side being the after. If you guys are interested in this year getting anything done, concrete cleaning, house washing, please let me know. Get a hold of me at 734-787-2559.